Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Fix Everythings. Today, we'll fix one of the most common problems with the Epson L805 printer when it prints with missing colors, wrong colors, or very faded output. Let's go step by step and get your printer back to perfect color printing. If your Epson L805 prints with missing color lines, strange tones, or completely loses one or two colors, this video is for you. Usually, this issue happens because the ink doesn't flow properly through the printhead, or the nozzle is clogged. Select head cleaning, then print the test again. Repeat 2 to 3 times if necessary. If the colors are still missing or incorrect, proceed to the next step. First, open the ink tank cover and check if all 6 colors cyan, magenta, yellow, black, light cyan, and light magenta are filled properly. Make sure each tank has enough ink and the tubes are not full of air bubbles. During printer use, please ensure that the ink in the system never runs completely dry. Running out of ink is one of the main causes of color errors, missing colors, or insufficient ink during printing. Never let the ink run completely dry. I even marked the ink levels to remind customers, yet this issue still occurred. Now, I will refill the ink in the system before proceeding with the next steps. Next, carefully use a small syringe to gently push ink through the printhead. It is important to use a small syringe to avoid damaging the air chamber inside the ink cartridge. Any ink that is drawn out should be safely discarded. After cleaning, go to Printer Preferences Maintenance Power Cleaning. This deep cleaning process uses more ink, but it helps clear out stubborn blockages and restore full color printing. Please note that the power cleaning function can only be used once every 12 hours. Finally, please perform a printhead nozzle check. If all 6 colors print correctly, without any missing lines or color errors, the issue has been successfully resolved. In case the colors still do not print properly after completing both printhead cleaning and power cleaning, the printhead itself will require servicing. This may involve careful cleaning or flushing of the printhead. We sincerely invite you to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave a comment below to support the channel's growth. I will release this instructional video shortly. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment and let me know where you are watching from. I would love to hear from you.